Great country location, less than 5 minutes to town with 10.12 acres that's zoned RR2, possibly divide property, with nicely updated one-level ranch home and a huge shop. Built originally in 1957, with 1,328 square feet, 2 bedrooms/1 bathroom, light and bright open floor plan, 3 different options for heat, electric wall, oil and wood stove, country kitchen, dining room has slider to deck and spacious living room with wood stove. Huge shop approximately 34 by 60, equipment shed, 4 bays and lots of room to park your toys.